Hello everyone and welcome to Online Learning. I'm Mrs. Thielen and I will be your teacher. It is my job as your teacher to prepare you for the future and help you function in this technology-driven world, meaning we're going to use a lot of technology. Therefore, my philosophy of teaching is that students should have access to a variety of tools that allow them to be critical thinkers, innovative, collaborators, and lifelong learners. This class will give you the tools to help you become successful learners. This class, you will spend 1 week learning about polar bears and their habitats. The purpose of this class is for you to have a better understanding of where polar bears live, what they eat, and how they survive in their habitats. Please feel free to explore the website so you can get a better understanding of the layout. Please make sure you click on the syllabus to read about class expectations, objectives, and assignments. The syllabus is found under the Folders tab, and the assignments are found under the Assignments tab. You will be responsible for completing all assignments online and on time. Assignments have due dates, so pay attention to when activities must be completed. You will lose points for any late assignments. You will also be participating in class discussions and respond to your classmates. It is important for everyone to get to know each other and make connections. Please answer the welcome questions on the Note tab and tell me about yourself. I'm excited to get to know all of you and learn together. I'm available to answer questions and will be providing you feedback as you complete assignments. If you have any questions, please know that I want you to be successful, so I'm here anytime that you need. Feel free to call me at 633-5110. Again, that number with the area code is 316-633-5110. If for some reason you can't reach me over the phone, you can always ask me questions online under the Questions tab in the folders. I hope you enjoy this class and I'm excited to learn with you.